Hey everyone, the Groundwater Guy back with part 2 of our interview with Kevin McGinnis of Cotey Chemical Corporation. Kevin gives us some tips on doing regular well maintenance in between well rehabilitation events. Hey everyone, the Groundwater Guy here. I'm here at the 2019 South Atlantic Jubilee Water Show in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Well, I'm here again with Kevin McGinnis from Cotey Chemical Corporation, and he's going to talk to us about well maintenance, what you can do in between doing well rehab to keep your well running in optimal condition. Kevin, go ahead and take it away.
Okay, so exactly, for years and years we've been talking about well rehab as a way of extending the life of your well. Now we're basically preaching the gospel now of extending your life of the well by doing some type of regular maintenance. Most of the time we're talking about maintenance on an annual basis. Kind of a silly analogy is changing the oil in your truck or your car. You know, as soon as you get your vehicle, you schedule maintenance. Every 3 months or 2,500 miles or whatever the rule book says. Same thing in a water well. Why is it that we drill a well and then we just, out of sight, out of mind, we just assume that everything's going to be fine? But in reality, most wells are going to have problems in their lifetime. It may not be today, it may not, I think on average it's about 12 years. Some wells are going to begin fouling way before that. So what we want to talk just a little bit about is well maintenance. And what we deal, because we deal with chemistry, we can do a lot with chemistry with the pump and the hole. So on an annual basis, we recommend maybe in the fall, you can schedule it during the downtime would be the best time. When you're not having lots of water needs from that well, is you could do several steps. You could go ahead and do a little bit of drawdown testing. You could check your specific capacity and do something and document it for the well owner. But at the same time, you could put a little bit of chemistry, maybe 1, 2, 3% chemistry in that well, leave it overnight, stirring it up with the pump, check it in the morning, check the pH in the morning, agitate it, and then pump it to waste and document. If your pH is still low, below 3, then document you're able to clean that well with a 1% solution. Next year when you come back, you start off with 1% solution. You agitate it, you check it, you stir it up with the pump, leave it in overnight, stir it up in the morning, check your pH. If the pH is still below 3, if it drifts above 3, then document that. You may either want to treat it, give it one more well maintenance treatment, or you could, next year, you set it up at a 2% solution. So it's really pretty good if you keep good records. It's a really simple way to extend the life of the well without having to having to actually pull the pump and brush it and bail it and do full rehabilitation. We're trying to, if we can get more and more people to set their wells up on an annual maintenance, maybe like going to the dentist. Wouldn't it be better to go to the dentist, get your teeth cleaned once a year, rather than wait until you have problems and the well and your teeth actually get to the point where you can't recover? And similarly with the water well, it's so much easier to do some type of simple chemical maintenance to keep the well in tip-top condition, keep the flow paths open, dissolve that material while it's relatively thin and soft and easy to remove with a good, simple chemistry. That's my suggestion for today, and thanks again, Tom, for letting me visit with you guys. If you've got any